Now I will show you our this compressor. You will see this is 10 HP, 10 HP compressor. This cooling with this this compressor cooling with this fan, big fan. You will see, this is big fan, and then we use this. This is refrigeration. You will see we can use this. We use this right now. We use this R404A. You will see here. You will see. And this is a big fan, and this is refrigeration. You see here, right now we use this, we can use this R22, R134A, R404A. We use this R404A right now. This one is environmentally for this environment, okay? So this one. You will see this is a big one, 10 HP. 10 HP, this compressor, okay? And top one, you will see, this is this fan, okay? You will see it running. This is the fan. This one we use this sock from this central, and then come out. You will see come out from the side. You will see, right now, okay? So this is one. Because right now, because we stop long time, right now you will see it have moisture. But when we use this machine, we should use this. We will use this defrost function to make sure this the top when it get ice, and then use this defrost, and then make this ice get liquid, and then come down to here, and then you will see there in the house. Let's go down, go outside. So you will see this is the defrost full top. Okay.